Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller that is blinking and not connecting to the PlayStation. So the first thing we want to make sure is our controller actually has a proper charge. If it's not properly charged, well, it could be causing issues syncing up to your PlayStation. Now, what you want to do is hold down the PlayStation button here, and this will manually turn off the controller. So you can look at it right here, and it will turn off after 5 to 10 seconds. And then we can put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode by holding down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And then we're going to notice on the back here, the light will blink just like this. Now you could have this connected to a different device. Maybe you connect it to your phone or something like that. You're going to want to go ahead and unpair it from that device so we can actually sync it back up. And that is why we could be having this issue, because it's still connected to your computer or your phone. And that's why it's not connecting. Now you could also try holding down the power button on your PlayStation right here, and then just completely turn this off, and then just restart it, just like we did to the controller. And you can see it's continuing to blink and it's not pairing up. Now the easiest way to get it to connect is with a USB cable. Now it is kind of difficult to get this cable because this is a micro USB cable. Most of the phones don't come standard with this anymore, so you might have to look around. If you have like the Amazon Fire Stick, or maybe like a different kind of streaming device connected to your TV, a lot of those have this cable attached to them. And most people, I'd say, probably have an Amazon Fire Stick or one of those Roku devices. And then just plug this into the controller. And this is honestly the easiest way to get this to connect when it's being very stubborn. This is indicating it's charging when it's like orange. Just press the PlayStation button and it will go to solid blue just like that. So very easy fix right there. Restart your controller, restart your PlayStation, and then put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. If that doesn't work, use a cable and you should be good to go. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.